Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 90 Acura NSX. So we did unbox this in yellow color sometime back. I do remember that. So I'm not sure from which case that is, but I bought this as well because first thing I didn't remember when I bought this. Second thing, after I bought this, I thought, okay, fine, let's see how this one, at least this one doesn't have any damage. So I bought it for MRP. Okay, not sure why this blister is so hard to cut. Oh my god. Okay, finally. Okay, so here is the casting. So the first impressions of this car, see, it looks really nice. You can see all the interior detailing here, and with the white color and all, this looks really nice. So again, you can see the roof here, it is scratched. So only thing is, I really wish the roof should have been, I don't know, maybe not flimsy. Okay, so this car actually has pop-up headlights, so I'm not sure whether to complain at this point or not. But apart from the logo here, there are no headlight, there are no other details here. Nothing is painted out. Okay, it's just pure white. So pure white looks really nice. So I really wish they added some kind of uh, you know uh, red livery. So that would have been very nice. Okay, you can see the rear detailing here, which has some kind of detailing here. It is not perfectly placed, but at least something is there. So I personally love the detailing here inside, which you can see. So the body is metal, it is fully metal, and the chassis is plastic. So only this part here is plastic on the body. That goes for every car if you ask me. And okay, let's weigh this car. Okay, that's exactly 3 grams. So I did feel this casting is a bit light, but it's exactly 3 grams. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it rolls really nice. It even crossed, went outside the track. So even though the weight is very less, yeah, I don't see any wheel wobble here, and yeah, it went outside the track. It rolls really well. Let's see if it has any. Okay, nothing is mentioned here. So usually, if it performs well on track, there will be some kind of logo here, like a circle and then track kind of thing. Maybe I will show some other car which has it. Let's do it one more time. Nice. So if you guys are wondering whether to buy this particular car or not, I say go ahead and buy it because at least I personally loved doing the roll test after a long time. I think this one and I think what is the other one, the Chevy, I guess, Silverado. So that one rolled really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.